Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the sour lemon seed in Grow Garden game of Roblox Easter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see that we need to plant one sour lemon if you want to complete the Easter achievements 2026. And if you want to get the sour lemon, first of all, you need to have the Easter seed pack first. And for the Easter seed pack, there are some ways that you can try to get the Easter seed pack. The first one is the angry plant method. You can feed the angry plant with the fruit that he asks, and he will give you the Easter seed pack. Or you can also join the egg war event, and you will have chance to get the Easter seed pack. And you can also join the evil bunny event. This evil bunny can also give you the Easter seed pack, and you need to open the Easter seed pack many times to get the sour lemon because it's rare. Okay, let me show you. Okay, you only have 3.5% chance to get the sour lemon seed. It's pretty rare guys, so you need to have many Easter seed packs. And after that, after you get the sour lemon, you can complete the achievement. I mean, one of the quests in the achievement that we need to plant one sour lemon seed. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the sour lemon seed in Grow Garden game of Roblox Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!